think he's dead. Oh yeah. Today, we are shooting off the new 22s that me and my uncle got. I got a semi-automatic one. He got a bolt action one.
You know what I'm saying?
Both can hold 10 clips. We'll see you at the shooting range. I can tell him high. I'll show a little lower.
You can already see it. How's it now? Whoa.
I don't know what bolts I got. I got a couple.
I
See how there's 4? Did I do 4 there?
Yep.
I did 3 before? Or
Yep.
2 before?
Three.
3.
4. 7. 93 left.
8, 9. There's 3 more to go?
Yep.
Alright. See, if you take it your time, you know, they don't go through that fast.
The heck?
One more for the headshot. We're good.
Nice.
Hit one 3 shots.
Right now. Go.
Alright guys, I'm going to teach my woman, Ellie, how to shoot a gun. Okay, so you ready?
Yeah.
What we're going to do is put this clip in here like this. Come
Oh shit.
on. Make sure it goes all the way in. It clicks. Make sure you go like this. Make sure it's all the way in.
Okay.
Now, alright, what we're going to do, put it on your shoulder.
Oh my god, anyway.
Like that. Put your arm right here. I'm going to close this up for you. Make sure it's on safety.
Is it?
Always, yep. Make sure it's always on safety.
I can't really
No.
see it.
Now tell me when you're up. Now make sure you line up those 2 things right here. Okay.
Ooh.
She did pretty good. That was a good one.
Hey, it wasn't loud.
Make sure you hold it like this.
Oh yeah, fresh one, so.
It's on safety.
Awesome.
I'm gonna practice real quick. That's all.
Oh, if you're actually shooting, I was like, wait a
No.
minute.
Point at this thing. Oh, that was loud.
Yeah, it was. It was loud. It's
Oh,
just
he hit pretty good now.
That's above the ear. No, wait a minute.
Okay,
I
decent.
think I'm empty.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, that's 3 shots.
Shooting the good old 22s off here on Lure Buddies, and we'll get back to you fishing later. Alright. We're gonna do some hell firing. Alright. Ooh. Hope if I load it in first, eh? Well, that's right. I think he's dead.
He's gonna shoot now.
Missed. I'm gonna shoot one more time.
Go ahead.
Shot right in the back.
Let me shoot lower.
A little bit lower.
Oh,
Oh, see
nice
it.
one.
There you go. Got it now.
Almost done with the shooting. Got the last 5 shots, and there's a target 50 yards out with my semi-automatic 22. So we're gonna see if we hit it. I saved some bullets for next week. I'll come back out, and we'll see if I hit them. I only filled my clip halfway. See how this works. So. Make sure. Check it. Good. Make sure you remove your clip. And safety's on. Safe place direction. Alright. That's it, guys.
You guys ready? Really fast. Oh, so throw them in there.
We
Roll my
Are-
shoulders.
Yeah, I have to come up.
Do my
done
shoulders up
with
now.
Well,
this shooting Finanzi.
Oh, bad idea.
Jacob! I have an idea.
What?
We are done with our shooting Finanzi.
That was awesome, you guys. Pretty sure all the squirrels are dead.
Yeah, they are.
All the targets.
Paper. All the paper's dead.
Oh, the paper's dead.
Squirrels, you're safe. Paper, you're not safe.